So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and now you want to expand system, and now you want to expand current control set, and now we're going to expand control, and now we're going to expand power. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. We're going to scroll down and expand power. And now we're going to expand power settings. You want to expand the one that says 545-33251 and it ends in D00. So again, 545-33251 and it ends in D00. You want to expand that one. And now you want to expand the one that says 06CADF0E and it ends in EB35D. Again, 06CADF0E and it ends in EB35D. Make sure that it ends in D and it's not E. Make sure that it ends in D. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you want to find attributes. Double click on it. Make sure that in this box right here, you have the number 2. Make sure that in this box you have the number 2 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.